Hello and welcome back to the ScaDS.AI Living Lab lecture series. This time we will discuss mapping glacier sliding with machine learning, presented by Josephine Omlauf.
Ice quakes are difficult to observe, difficult to find in fact, because they are often hidden due to all these other environmental noise sources that happen side by side. If we have GPS measurements on the surface of the ice, which gives you the velocity, as I just said, and if we are interested in glacier sliding, why caring about seismology at all? So that's what I will show you in this lecture series, what rich archive seismic data is to better understand processes in high spatio-temporal detail, and in particular, in our case, to infer for signals that come from the glacier bed.
We'll see you September 12th at 11 a.m.